ride 1 of the Picos de Europa tour is quite standard but also very famous, and it's called the Picos Triangle. And hey, if it's good enough, it's good enough for us. The Picos Triangle promises to be 240 kilometers, 150 miles, and you can cut it short, but we will tell you later, to 200 kilometers, 125 miles, but filled with winding roads through steep gorges, over mountains, and with a lot of fun. So let's go crazy! Wow, and what a start of this ride! And this is our first mirador of the day, the Mirador del Corso, the port of San Glorio, which is one of the highest mountain passes in the Cantabrian Mountains, just next to the Picos de Europa, in beautiful scenery. And this viewpoint is decorated with this metal deer by the Cantabrian sculptor Jesus Otero, e corzo in Spanish. Time for coffee! Although the roads are everything but boring, we thought it was time for a coffee. Ah, gracias! With something really nice. So we added this little bar in Boca de Virgano. So if you fancy a coffee too during your ride, this is the place to be. Wow, words almost fail me. What a ride and what a place. And we just had to stop at this Mirador de Ocea de Sayambre. And views from this parking lot are already very impressive, but they say it's worth to take down the little path to that viewpoint. Well, I don't know how about you, but all those winding roads really gave us an appetite. So we already had a picnic at the Rio Sella, but we've added this restaurant, the El Puente Romano, because there's a Roman bridge. If you want to have lunch here, but also a parking in Cangas de Onís, if you want to go into the center of this town for lunch. From Cangas de Onís, we are taking this little detour because there's supposed to be a beautiful view up there. And if you want, you can leave this out, which will cut your ride short with 40 kilometers, 25 miles. But we are going to have a look if this Mirador is as good as they say it is. Let's go. Wow, and they were right, because the view that you will get from this Mirador del Fitu is absolutely breathtaking. It's almost 360 degrees view from the ocean to the Picos and a lot of other mountains. So it's definitely worth to ride up here, especially on a hot day like this, because you get a nice fresh sea breeze. And do remember to take up the little path to this viewpoint, because staying on the parking will not give you this view. And well, we don't mind taking that same way back. If you only had lunch in Cancas and you did not do the ride up to the Mirador del Fitu, this is a bit quick, but we did not want you to miss this real biker stop. So we add this bar and restaurant, biker bar and restaurant, Ruta AS114, to your GPX file to have a quick drink. And we're going to end our perfect ride of the Picos Triangle with another highlight of the Picos Triangle amongst the very many bikers who come here. And that is the N621 from the coastline back to Cotes through the Hermani, through the Desfiladero de la Hermanida. And it is the N621 all the way from the coastline back to Cotes through the Desfiladero de la Hermida. Wow. It might be standard, but we really like the Picos triangle. And well, we are sure you're gonna enjoy it too. And remember to take loads of pictures, and if you are sharing on social media, to tag us and use the hashtag #CrazyRide. And then we hope to see you another crazy ride. Wow, this Picos triangle is definitely worth to put on your bucket list. We hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel with turning on the notifications so you won't miss our next videos on crazy rides. And our ride 2 in the Picos is in the middle of your screen.